You say this. You say for that New Year, I'm gonna carry some money night. I tell you no. Never lot been going on, you know. Must I tell you no. For 2020 blood clot 6, when I carry some people with me. Me I like Sergeant X me I let you go. I swear to God. Can I see you? You show me say evil building of the world. Don't ever want to talk about you come and if you want, you know why you come out later and go and argue with you. Cause what you come out come chat and if I look on you. Cause me I tell myself say me will stop answer, me just low you low. Me I go silent. Come brother so my answer you feel like say me I go do this tracing thing pan them. Me don't want to come pan net come sit down and talk certain things. You grieve my spirit, dog. You grieve my motherfucking spirit. Cause all I wanna like me and I bring me down and them me say each up with. I mean I say watch you. I want wicked blood clot boy, you know. You can't I might be able to teach me so people can't hear you for wicked no blood clot. Boy I might be able to bring me. People wicked and evil no blood clot. Yeah. And teach me that. People wicked and evil. No bomber blood clot. I when you them a so. Mm-hmm. So when them come class me over here, them little shit. Them don't even open one blood clot wound. Them don't do nothing. When you come over here come class me and do the things them and rub me out in a comment section, the blood clot shit. Come I can't blood clot add to a wound when I heal yet. Can't trust people because everybody that does lies and deceits and lie and pretend of the whole of blood clot. 95% of on this blood clot fake. Wicked. Cause there's no way we can like a person this blood clot minute and the minute it go poof and it vanish. That mean me never real from day one. It's okay. Kayla! 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 Come here. Yeah. Look at this in my purse. Wanna buy something that can change come to me. You know, I got it, man. Chat what's up. Me I want it youth. Me I want it. Nobody can build me economy, but me I hold it youth. I'm more bad than me I hold it, man. It's just that there's some lot of things that some things grieve my spirit, and there's a lot of things. So I mean, there's a lot of things. But when I say I know what I'm out, I tell you no. Grieve my spirit. I mean, I tell you, say, there's a lot of things. But I want to say, can't get for say. Don't want to say, but Rose, done. If I was apologize, you were wrong. Michaela get the money.
Okay.
I'll know. Yeah, I tell them Max there's a lot of things when I know my mouth and say. I know I feel like me no want done. I feel cut up. I mean I won't do it. I feel like Sean, me I hold it youth, me I hold it youth. Me I hold it Sean. Me I hold it youth. There's a lot of things me not mouth and say. I want class and go on bad. Because them know them not like you. And them still friend you. Worstest thing me hate ever in my life. When I want to like you, still blood clot friend you. Them not like you and I'm still a friend you. But them see me a road and beat me. Yeah. Me I tell you none of them not like me on this. Me I hold it you because them not like me and them still bumbo clad friend me. But them see me a road and kick me up. Me and them go at it. For me I go to school, me not like it for me I go to school. See me but yeah, see me too many things them. Yo, see me and do what you have to do, yo. Me serious. Me not run no joke, I'm not cap. My grave. And the whole of them go like, me have no bumbucklad feel inspire. I say, you see my eye water, and say, you feel like, say, I talk more talk something, me I feel hold it. Come and say, no, what? You allow people. You allow them. You allow people. And that's the truth. Me not cry because I'm weak, you know. I cry because what? Me I let it out. Sometimes the tears come out of my eye. Anger and rage. Coming a week, no time. Cause when I sit down and look back on oh some things when me say me loyal to people right through, but don't even get 25% right. So that's how you go. That's how you go. Me rinse the buckle. So you go. When me say me put on, I'm tell you no, me loyal. It's my baby father. Remember one time when my blood clot war and blood, and then they mix me there. That's what I'm loyal. Me I tell you some risk on my life, people. Things I'm going to do for people. Things I'm still going to do for mankind. I'm not get back that favor there from people. Just a liar to me, just have some people. Can me just see I like it naturally, you know. I see her come at me, you know. I just low you, you know, youth. I just low people, come just like it naturally and see. So you just hate me, I just low you, youth. I just low you, you know. Come like it naturally, I just see her come and I say, watch her. Watch out some of them pussy, yeah. Watch out some of them pussy, yeah. Come just like it naturally, I just know you're coming up. You say, watch you. Cause I'm tell myself, I'm tell myself something like it naturally, but just like it naturally. And I say, watch all them pussy, yeah. I'm like it naturally. Me I tell you, you know, cause some people are pussy. You never know. Tears going at every bumbuckle that long, when not real. My grieve, my cut up. I'm not no sympathy if I'm not big pussy girl. No time. My grieve. Cause me, Rosie, like I was like, nah, people naturally. I'm not fake round here. Suck on no mother, the deepest part of no mama. Suck out to no mother. Me, I got like people naturally. I want a shit house. And the word Caan, you know. I mean, I love me say, come. Come like people naturally. Suck on no mother. I mean, alone like you know, like, I mean, alone like you know. I want not like you know. Naturally. The whole I want to walk and seek validation of bumbucklat. When I talk about tears, it grieve my bumbucklat spirit. Cause I'm alone know something like someone with natural blood clotly. Natural. Naturally, me like someone with naturally. When I pussy. Cause the same way me like people in a room for me like that. So me I tell you, she go suck on no mama. Cause you not gonna get nobody for like on naturally. Oh. Stuck on no mother. The whole lot of unu. But my baby father go straight black blood clot down to the pagan them. The whole of unu. Stuck out unu mama. When I shit. I'm on the shit when I'm on the time I want my button and love flush. But don't even want to see it. Stuck unu mother. You know, seek validation round you and boy ya. Suck unu mama. You know what? I can seek validation a blood clot. I want people like you. I'm gonna run up. Suck on no mother. Anytime I don't want to see me, I would just do the next blood clot Bex. Because you grieve me. Oh. Fuck that. Ring out to no mother. And I pay that salt. Crosses. But not like you. Go ahead. But not like you. But not like you. No, no, no. Start thinking, Jaden, I'm here alone like a pussy. Go suck your mama. You're the next crosses. When me meet in my life, pussy. You're the next blood clot. Crosses blood clot, boy. When me meet in my blood clot life, pussy. I'm gonna get for hate you naturally. When I like you, to bone, make up your blood clot body. Cause you evil. You're the next insipid, cranny, blood clotness. Give me a whole argument with the suck hood. And a whole no argument to go suck your mother. Hard! Oh. No, no, come run blood clot, man. For tear them blood clot. No, real. I want to drop off a ship on the file, man. I'm friend want bestie want, man. Suck your mother. Two. I want someone to see me and ramp with me a bumbo clock road and I know what time it is. See me and ramp with me a road and I know what time it is. See me and ramp with someone, you know. Me and my family watch me every day. I'm never bring them to the 448. Don't ramp with me here. I'm in a nice blood clot pop. I'm gonna know real. Whenever, oh, Rosealee, I'm a friend. Stop by the shame the girl. Big Rosealee, I'm a friend. Law for the bumbo clot, girl. Stop by the shame the girl. And then when you're for a big stinking girl, all whale, all pig, all swine, all hog. You know like people. You don't run if one of them can blood clot gain. Because I want to steal out, when no blood clot steal, I don't want blood clots man for hype on up. When you come around blood clot people. We don't know if you look cool and sorry then my time done now. I wait till my bumbo clot time for anything. I don't run up with the people. I don't run up in a blood clot people. Oh, Rosealee. I make my body 12 of June, I Gemini. I don't have up people. Me have follow to them long, I learn to forgive after get and move along. Me no walk with black heart. When I walk with black heart, it make you bitter for people. Me no want bitter for nobody. I talk, and I walk, and I keep it blood clot moving. Sometimes I don't know real. I don't know genuine no time. I don't know come up because them have look at clout and look at no stay far from me. Cause them something that upsets me. But I think me come here come rub out Drake so. Cause Drake's not real. Wait till my class him, so what if it want go sign that? Drake's not real. Because I'm there with it for 12 blood clot years in a buy. I assume with that some people may say a class me. You just sit there. You don't sit down there. You don't sit down blood clot there so. Pussy me feel like when I say not even call to me, me hate you. You don't sit down there and I'm just a cat man say ya. I said, Jesus Christ. Somebody want me there with for 12 blood clot year. The process. My anger turning a rage. And that's why me will always be with me will be. So you go. Me will always be with me be. I tell you no 10.2K. Me will never change. Uno can't change me. Uno in the world never change me. And you know what? My mind was right all along. As a motherfucking Gemini. Uno, she loud and she disgusting and she yeah. She very offensive, yeah. Because what? My mind always tell me the truth about Uno. I don't feel like say people tell me about Uno. My mind tell me about Uno. Watch out, fake, you know? Can look for you, my mind. Watch a blood clot fake ass one of this come. My mind tell me about Uno, my mind. Tell me about Uno. What comes to my mind? Something your mind tell us a blood clot. The man pay 3/29. Rosealee, you load up 29 for 1 5 bills or 1,000. Bam! The man pay 29 in a blood clot. Cash pot. Pastor preach over there. Something you work with your mind. I want to work with my mind. My mind tell me about Uno. And that's about the three word that my classmates said, you know, and of them me depend. One somebody in my lifetime I say broke me in a many pieces and shatter me and my baby father. Because I can't believe say so wicked. I can't believe say every day the son for us get back at her, get him cut me the deepest. He's always like get back. Oh man, you're wicked. Me not like him. And when I see him Sunday, me just turn on my blood clot face so. Come don't even want see him. Jeff Jake see me I roll that son to my class, I make him have to kick me up. Me start everyone see me and say, hey, start it. If me was in me say me tell me say my plan, him and him whole family have to batter me, hospitalize me in a blood clot. My plan for it. Me tell myself it in my back of my head. To you wicked in a blood clot, you. You cut me the deepest in a life. Things that people cut me like blood clot, you. Can't go and talk, man. We can't stay there. Wicked, evil, enemy, rat, thief, lie, deceit, no loyalty, no trust. Then if you slang with the people on social media and then bring me down like that, look what people slang with and then blood clot bring me down. So them something reflected on my mind. Me a Gemini, me always I go overthink. If you can slang with so many people and them doing the things them, you've been doing it all along, you know real. So my time has wasted. I can't I'm here tell you say, me will always, me want Father God change my heart. Me I beg him, Father God, me beg you do. Me want be one wicked hard person. Yeah. Live with no regrets and no remorse. I know him can't give me it. Munch would say, wife, I look on you, you know. Cause when the custody you calm down, you forget everything. I want to be one wicked hard person like them. I want to be one wicked hard person like them. Bitter like them. I want to be worse than them. But God not like ugly. I said the more them fight me, the stronger me get. I will always rise to the ashes like Phoenix. Anything. When the girl would do my makeup, I said the same thing you touch was a goal. Some of them, not even would argue. Any blood clot thing where you touch, a goal. Some of them gonna argue. Chaan, me not even blood clot argue. Yeah, hold it. Put this on. What is that? Buy a drink of rum for me and a Red Bull. We ain't buy tax, me just get money a while ago. Anything I'm touch a goal. She tell me, I said that she tell me last time, she said, Rosealee, see you. Anything where you touch a goal and the people them see it and know it. Anything I'm touch. Goal mine. Yo, yeah. One, yeah. Come on, actually talented. When me I got high school, my favorite subject was drama. Me's a drama queen. And I stay truthful to people. That was some stay. I stay real and I stay truthful. Always. I stay loyal. It's a loyal blood clot, girl. When me and that man blood clot, they ask him war. A blood clot film. War. How when me a blood clot friend, me fight for you till the end like Chucky. Me and them a fight for you when I give two fuck. Pussy had the two we have a murder. And sometimes I express myself during pain, and sometimes I say me just let it out. I say the more me ball, and the stronger me get. No pussy test. Me war feel. War. Yeah, war. Somebody me a war feel. Yeah, angle. My friend me a angle you. And everybody will come around me. And the same loyalty me give everybody. Everybody will come around me. Everybody come around me. I get the same thing. Loyalty. So you see me, you know. Me no love chat my friend them, you know. He said me have a friend, me have a chat my friend. Me don't really want a friend for you. That's why me I chat you. Say you're my friend, I'm going to give you a voice note. And I'm going to tell her a piece of my mind. And that is just it. Yeah. But oh, Shanta, I'm so fall out. You know what, which category and which blood clot terms are lane and avenue. Shanta, I'm so weird. Eh? Why my friend can blood clot call me and tell me how she feel like, oh, this. I stay loyal to everybody. Shay, come here. Shay, are you my come out? Come and I go argue with you, because we're done the arguing stage. Don't tell a lie for me. You see your Pampers video, I don't know when could I get that. Shay, somebody tag Shay for me. Come on, she come here, so. Don't tell a lie for my girl. Me not go down like memory lane, and me not go down a history book. Don't tell a lie for me. Me not laugh, baby P. Shay, so me argue with girl, but look for you. Shay, so me argue with girl, Shay. Want somebody tag her or upon tag her, please. Come in and argue with her. I just want to tell her a piece of my mind. I don't want she feel like me I try for disrespect her. I try for argue with her. Me not argue with her. Shay, nothing a lie for me. It's when uno walk and dig up about people, because you can't argue with people, me not do that. Me can't look upon you and tell you what is wrong with you and tell you what is a problem. Me read that for emotion. It's written in everybody's face. I have never exposed no video with you don't tell a lie and for me. You know when that video exposed? I remember, I will send me that video the night. Come on, you tell a lie for me, you know. Come on, I forget nothing. And Candy upon the life. Man, Candy. And what the boy name again? Bams. A Bams send me the video upon this phone. I want somebody over social media so I can expose things about your skydive, man. Me know I can expose things about people. Everybody have them flaws and nobody is perfect. You come at me, I'ma go at you. Me say what me I say and done, you never stop. And that's why we have this constant back and forth argument. Me no hate you, girl. Cause life goes on. I'm gonna want to walk with bitterness in my heart. Me never expose nothing with you. Your friend them do it, your arrival them. We always want to bring you down. The only reason why I make me in the league in I car, you bring up some old things that shouldn't come on social media. But my whole family. But fuck them because them are germs. It kind of break me one at a time, but you can't see. It break me, you can't see. Come hold my composure. Girl, I have never tried to dig that even in your past. Anything will come about your sky that me with it and other people. Me not dig up things about people past. Me not dig up things about your past. For class, yo. Me can't look for you say your low life. When me argue with you, I look upon them and say them a low life. Wanna bring me down the most, I'm still not yet to know. Me say what them say I share, say I, and that's it. Me not hate your girl. Me just keep it moving. Cause I just know someone want to stay. Don't turn a lie on me. I have the video as somebody sent me. I have never sent out a video with you. Never. Never walk around and send out no video with blood clot you. Our people I was a repost it. We say Rosealee and say alright then. She and Rosealee at it. Let us tag with Rosealee cause Rosealee we say straight. Not get it twisted. Not tell a lie for me. When me I argue with girl, me no need clippings, me no need I will only do me follow. When me I argue with girl, me no need clippings, me no need a video, me no need nothing. Me can't look by you until you say it's a shit house. Me can't look by you until you say you're not nobody. Me can't look by you until you say you're nice. Me can't look by you until you say you're kind-hearted. When you say people troll people, oh, them I mean nothing lie. You mean every bitter word we you say. Tell a lie for me, baby. Please. Come here now, go down the one, the back and forth road, because I see you try to idea when me and Jaden catch up, you try to idea, yeah. I mean, I'll tell you this, me see you bad for Jaden, you have more curious to cry. Jaden don't want real blood clots, man, you know, because me have him back 110 loyal percent. He only want to have people in him corner where can ride for him and pick up for him when him wrong. Him not, I want thing Jaden lying to and money. You will soon know what me I talk about. Me not even go further. Me done with you, miss. Me not in no argument, boo. Today on Monday, Tuesday or Wednesday, me not in no argument. Kim King will always be Kim King. Kim King want a forward for me, well, he will never get. All the while I'm trying to chat to me, I'm shun him. Kim King only argue with me because of reject. Because Kim King not genuine, that's why I like him. So that's why I not argue with him. Him not genuine. Kim King give me one fake vibes and one fake attitude. That's why I don't argue with him. Me no need to walk and tell like on nobody. It not pay me, I not benefit out of it. She know why me not blood clot catch up from back then. And she know why me not catch up from that back then. I mean not eat her come see her with the anchor to and keep it moving. Kim King fake like me weave him over from me. Him just me not argue with Kim King. Kim King give me a deep obsession because you cannot argue with somebody you cannot argue with somebody and keep on and make video with somebody when I look on you. No care what him say about me, not look. Yesterday, me not the play box, I'm not too care, because I know say, him just want, me not like when I seek me attention. Don't seek it. I will give it to you naturally. You understand what I say? Okay. Yeah. I mean, don't tell myself, so no matter what the circumstances might be, Shane and a secret for me, you know, because my one all over TikTok. I wouldn't argue back with her not if in a million years. Me don't tell myself that choice. So I don't care where you come with or who you want to pick side with. You can't always talk. Me not look. Me don't promise myself say me not gonna argue back with you ever again. So I beg you, please, don't even waste your time. If you can't speak justice, you just make other people talk. Me don't tell myself I'm not argue with you again, nor Queenie, never again. Because what? The bag of arguing in the year was just pointless. Me don't see what sense it make. Because I want story over and over again about me and you. And we argue till it drawn out. We argue about for a year. So I'm going to argue back for next year. No. We do this thing over and over and over. You would dig up file about me and the people in the scheme tell you things about me. And me just tell you your business and that's it. Me don't even go back over that girl. Me I tell you the truth. Me just be honest. Come not even argue. You walk and dig up my file or me was dirty. My mom and my sister them walk and suck cocky. My baby father this and my dad. And the people them walk and pay the scheme to tell you one per story. Me don't really have no problem. But you see the back and forth with me I used to do last year. The year I done, I'm not do it with them. I'm not carrying the next year. So if you don't want to be, we don't have to be with our friends. You don't have to like me, I mean, I have to like you. Because if make peace reign. Me not mention the name, leave me alone. Yes, sir, me not mention the name, love me. Me not have to look clout after only, you know. Leave me beg you, please. Come in, I go argue. Change, summer change. You know, say that? Change, summer change. Straight all of the bring down and the exposure you do to me, still see and say, I. You feel like so, I say, I is a hypocrite eel. Me not yell people, me not like, girl, me not hate you, me just say, I and keep it moving. Me don't know who you are already. And that you're not gonna change. Change for the better. Me not have you up. But I say I and keep it moving. Me I try to change my surrounding. Me I try to change my father ground. Me not argue with a baby girl. Me I tell you the honest truth. So if you want feel like say, oh me and Rose are gonna do one back and forth again. Yeah, Rose not gonna do it. Because I know you what. Yeah, Rose not gonna do it, boo boo. Me I tell you the honest truth. Yeah, Rosealee not gonna do that. I not save a soul. But me in a wrong time. Me not together like this time and the next. Okay. Yeah. Because Shay, when they did on for me, it was a like your situation was worse. In a share argument, it was one at time a life and death situation, life and death. Your friend will tell the things me know I'm hand back. And if me was a carbon person, me that see her road and do her things. And me just don't do it. Cause a wise man tell me say Rosealee have what to gain more than what to lose. Leave that. Leave people. Focus by yourself and your dreams. Cause my born poor, you know. But me not dead poor. She do me the worst. She do me the worst on social media. You don't pan me, you know, let me go, you class me. It was just back and front and it was just too much. I'm a dime for the day when it just was just over. I'm not gonna start it up back. I have never exposed you. You have some people that don't like you, family, get them expose you. You know what I mean? I say? You expose yourself. I've never exposed you no blood clot way. Because when me argue with guys, shame, I don't really like dig up them paths. You know, long time I get ignorant by your name. Me can't see a screen card. Me literally what they when you up where your class you expose your life so long. Normally I wouldn't do that. Come and have it. But when I like a person to go up on them live. We don't follow you, but I was over there. But when I like people to go up on them live, if you can see me in the comment section. If you see me in the comment section, attack. You must know say me not have you up. You know for bother. This no gonna make no sense. Me not really look no friend for you, but at 2025 now. I'm going at 2026. Try for change. You live in your house with a woman, try to make one another happy and comfortable. I live alone. Me soon get what me youth them. Me I try to go in a one different environment and make myself comfortable. There's more to life more than so long I argue with Rosealee Shay. Life has so much more to offer more than sit on your phone screen and argue all day with Rose. All of y'all. Because when you keep on telling yourself that Rosealee is nobody, but yet still, you can't stop keep our motherfucking name out her mouth. Sorry for the bad word. Because I keep on telling, oh, Rose is nobody, but yet still, you all one class Rose. I cannot look at myself. Check out me. Check the ratio when me I said chat. They all say Rose is not nobody. They all say Rosealee is nobody. But yet still, I can still involve in your 24 hour. You go on like your things, but yet still, I still, I still revolve in your 24 hour. If me tell myself say you're nobody, there's no way me can cut Kim King on nobody. Me see me argue with Kim King? Never. I want him get too much. I want him say the worst. But black him, I don't even look. I just common sense. Teach all of this, and them not have that. There's no way I can sit. You understand? Shay, come here. Shay, come here, Shay. Get up on this phone. Shay, watch chat. I want to tell her this good and tell her this good and I'm going to tell her this good and tell her this comfortable and tell her this well. Shay, me a whole for gifters. Me not have to cry for gift. Become number one last night. Me a top one cause that's why your friend them hate me. Me not cry for gift. Shay, me there's a 3 hour now I'm down play a match. Me not need to cry for gift. I mix up on the use and people business and feel like say that's how I don't make the money on TikTok and like people business. Go find a match play. You never know this long time. Go find a match play. Go build a team. That's when they build a team, they will always like you for you. And that's the difference with me and Uno. I build a team with some loyal supporter. So when them say, Eng Rosealee, I'm still not ending. I tell them, say, Counselor. I know cancel the cancel. Would I cancel two? My team them would I cancel 2 girl throat back. I build some loyalty. Me not cry for gift. I go look one at match play. If it work out. And if it not work out, it not work out. Me a team player, me a game player. Me not do mix up. Me never cry for gift yet. Me not need sympathy for gift. I come here, I'ma sell 2 blood clot fuck story. Me know a girl I go like. I'ma see a girl, I'ma see a bad. Me say, come here. Come here, good girl. Fifi, let me on where no goodies. Fears. Need let me one puss, girl. Need. Buy the boy purse and come back. The girl them like come and talk to them and interact with them. You know, don't mix up people business, but nobody cares. If I suck 100 wood last night, nobody cares. Enough always suck wood. If I shot a boy with gonorrhea last night, nobody cares. We have 2 and 3 girls shot boy in our lifetime. We don't care. That's the difference with me. I don't need to cry for gift. Me not hungry, Shay. Me a team player, me a game player. All of my blood, all Jane we yesterday, we chat up to you. When me and Jane and the past screen know say money me come about gift and kinds and ranking, we no come about mix up. That's why you see me run from you most time and come at me. Time no a game me play money. Me think about gift and ranking and money. Me no cry for gift, baby girl. Me born with the initial of success. Me can't call him 2 gifts. I come here. Nobody not like me. Somebody who can't like me can't send me a lion. I will sit here for hours and just talk out of my mouth to my people them and look 2 gifts. Yesterday I only play a match. I come number 1 last night about 300 diamonds. Me hardly play a match. Me come talk out of my mouth and look 2 live goal. Share me never ball for gift yet. Me always have gifters. Me always have some genuinely girl will like me. For me. A pop salon me play too much and never make no sense. Me always have genuine people like me. Not do mix up, baby girl. That's the difference between me and Uno. One on relax on the mindset in people business. Phone one steal. Me you them not come out a CPS problem so quick. Me have that for work pan. Me have a work pan for move. Me have a work pan for moving forward. Sure, me now make gonna distract me no more. Me not argue with you no. Me not argue with her. Me I tell her. Focus on the prize. They in front of you. The girl them come to your life with nobody want you to mix up. Send them go recharge. You waste time. So if you short off $5, you can dip in your pocket and buy it. You don't make necessarily on social media and have a platform and don't have 3 or 4 good gifters. Me not argue with that shit, I tell you the truth. Sometimes you can't listen for your enemy. You don't make necessarily on social media have a platform and you don't have 3 or 4 good gifters. Because when Jordan look real match you play, him not play it with you. So I always run come back on my foot. And me black Jordan the other day, you know. And then man black him know him come now because I know say me a game player. I will play one good 6. We all make money. You're not real, you're not credible for that. Some money use it for mix up and for defend him. I mean, I tell you the purpose we a bit to Jaden. Only for mix up and to defend him. You can't play a good heated match with him. Him not stay up on his phone screen along with you. Okay, you're not build a platform. Build a platform so you can get 200 and 300 score. He said if he was a real game player, Jaden would have stick by your side. You know, combo game, a combo mix up. I can't sell with 1,000 people. I want 2,000 people. I'm going to check my balance. I have 1 3 bills night. I can't sell up on TikTok for 5 6 hours when I'm done. I have $1,000. Show me the same thing. Wise up. I'm modern time now. You need to stop where I do. You're a big woman with 2 kids. Prepare for the future. TikTok and them more. Mix up, no sell. I'm ranking money by this. So I can use as my I can have this, and this. Ranking money. Me not cuss her, I tell her. I'm ranking money by this, and the one me attack upon. The carry out I do, I'm ranking money by it. Sit down and rank. And save by what I want. So when they tell me, say, Rosealee, you're a cough. Come here, they tell me, say, me a cough, you know. Rosealee, you're a cough. You know, I leave this. So I'm say, shake. Smart. And then the whole I want to. Because sometimes we argue and sometimes I not about to argue. I don't make no lead my focus on the prize. I look too live go chat. When me I do 3 phone. Share them convenient to me. That personally, this can be my WhatsApp when I talk to my people. Them come I start using number here. And this is for work. Nobody call this phone. Only TikTok I got upon this. Come in like when I on my live, my phone ring. So this are for TikTok only. So that's my page I'm alone. This my buy this for TikTok only. Just TikTok. Me don't want a WhatsApp on it. Or TikTok only. Somebody just transfer the data out of this to this without WhatsApp. I'm work phone this. And the one ya, me can call pan. The one ya, my answer it when I feel like. But it still have machine pan it. It still have me Instagram pan it a machine. Me can add a 2 clothes off a sheen. I look me come for look it every day, girlfriend. I look 2 live gold chat. Yeah. Me not focus on the wrong things. Mix up no pay. Me no need for cry for gift. Me have whole heap of gifters. Sometimes I don't say 300, 400 people gift me in one day. Me have whole heap of gifters. Me not cry for gift, baby. Me never cry for gift. Me cry because me emotional. Me cry because some people are pussy. That me cry. Some people are really pussy coming in your life and them go like them I like it and them only pretend. Me cry because me always I make some me genuine to people and I always I make some fake people. And them things that why me cry shit. Me not cry for gift. Me not cry for gift. Me go look one app match play whether it dead or not. Me not cry for gift, baby. Me never want still. Me not cry for gift. Me go look one app match play. I 7,000 people there so from 3 o'clock. And them no move. One time reach 10, now it gone down, it soon come up back. Me not cry for gift.